I am really happy with the shower glass doorknobs. I got two of these single side knobs in the brushed nickel finish. And these knobs have protective washers on the inner parts where they contact your shower door so you don't have to worry about scratches on the glass. Installing these is super easy. Just unscrew the two sides of the knob from one another and then align and orient them over and through the hole in the orientation that you want the knob to go. And it's important to make sure that the protective washers are what are making contact with the door for the best results. Then you just twist the two sides of the knob opposite each other to tighten it to your door. There's also an Allen wrench included in the package to get the knob as tight as possible to the door, but I didn't find that it made a difference for me. Hand tightening these knobs worked just great. And I chose the single side knobs so that my glass shower door can slide completely past one another. Both sides of the doors can pass each other for ease of cleaning. And these knobs work perfectly for that. And the brush nickel has a really nice matte finish and it works perfectly with the existing finishes in my bathroom. So if you're looking to upgrade your shower door, I 100% recommend these shower door knobs.